just leaving Mount Franklin. Santos is headed off home. I'm going to ride back through Basalt. Okay, just coming into Yandoit. So basically reversed the route I'd originally planned. I was going to come through this way in the morning, then up to Castlemaine. So I've just done the whole trip in reverse. Yeah, this is the township of Yandoit. Not much here. Probably was a lot bigger back in the day. So yep, we're on the dirt and we hit 100k an hour zone. In my last video I got asked about the tracks I did out here and about the route, and well, yeah, I remember riding up that. Yeah, I was actually looking at Ozman maps, this area, and it shows a lot more tracks than Google Maps. And it shows a lot more points of interest. And I started flagging all these points of interest and then just joined them all together and made a route. It turned out to be a really good ride. Yeah, it's a really cool area to explore. A lot of stuff to find. It's not all on the map. A lot of old ruins. Yeah, the funny thing is though with the map, when I was looking in the Castlemaine area where I rode today, Google Maps showed more than Ozman. So I used Google Maps for part of my trip and Ozman for the other part. I do find Ozman a little bit hard to actually draw up a route. Might be just a matter of getting used to it. It did take me a long time to get used to Google Maps, how to make it go where I wanted it to. Check that out, that's probably where we're riding today. Oh shit. Is my back brake working? Why have I got no rear brake? Hold on a sec. Yeah, it's not working. How have I done? Righto, just coming over this rise and realised I've got no rear brake. And I reckon I'm going to need it for this hill, which is downhill from here. Nothing too steep, but I'm definitely going to want my rear brake. So, have a look. The bolt's disappeared. So when I put the brake on, it just flexes instead of pushing straight up. So we'll have a look in the old toolkit, see what we got. Hopefully I've got a bolt. It's just threaded in, is it? Yeah, it must be. Let's see what I've got in here. Oh, that'll be maybe too long. I might do it. I reckon that'll do the job. Brakes all fixed. Glad I carry some spare bolts with me. I probably should have checked that one's tight. That's not. Oh, shit. I better tighten it. I don't want to lose that one now. All geared up, ready to go. Be a 4mm Allen key. 4's going to be right down the bottom. Where'd you go? I saw you there. Those bolts like coming loose too. I haven't checked them for a while. I did Loctite them last time. Yeah, I've never had that come loose before. That one obviously came so loose it fell out. Apparently this is Ruby track. Let's go. Ooh. Ooh. Yep, that feels better. I haven't had as much feel for that rear brake today, probably because it was loose. It was master cylinder would have been moving around. Yeah, it's pretty steep. Some big hills, reasonably smooth. Yeah, we are. Whoa, 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 holy crap. They're getting steeper and bigger. Definitely needed that rear brake. So there's a spot just up here on the map. It's called Deep Pit. Yeah, it's just there. Climb up that hill and there's a big hole. So we'll go up this track. Oops. Some old ruins up here, and we'll try and follow the track through this time. Last time I went down and had a look and backtracked. So we'll see if we can get through. So this is about where I turned back last time, so let's see if we can get through. I just went up and had a look at that. Yep. Oh. Yeah, it looks like it keeps going. I wonder if there's any more to see through here. Oh, wait there, we got a bloody creek crossing. Fuck yeah. This looks really good. Smith's Gully. Yeah, nice, going uphill. Yeah. Yeah, these are awesome tracks around here. Good fun. Not knowing where they go helps. Makes it more interesting. I've just gone off the map a little bit. I want to find that other way through to the old chimney. So yeah, that's a track just there. There's the dam. Yep, that's it. Yeah, cool. Yeah, that's the one. I remember going past the dam. Oh, that tree wasn't there though. Shit. Shit. I get up and around that. Oh, maybe not. It changes a lot in a couple of weeks. Some trees have been cleared, there's more down. And there is the chimney. Oh, that is so cool. What a quick photo. Yeah, I don't think this one gets used too often. Bit hard to follow in sections. Yeah, through here. Oh, look at here, dink, dink, dink off my bash plate. And we just ride through all this. There's the track again. Yeah, I've no idea what this track's called. It is on Rallz. You won't find it on Google. Oh, Wallaby, here's another one. I was saying earlier that they just hang around on their own. I was wrong. Oh, there it is, La Frenchy Hut. We won't stop today, keep moving. I showed you this before. Oh, can I get around that? Yep. Yeah, she's pretty cool. Anyway, let's keep moving. Hopefully I got enough battery. I just remembered there's I found a spot on the map that said old mine shaft. So I'm just going to have a look and see if I can actually find it. Just here somewhere. I've been through here a few times, but I've never seen it. It's possibly down there. Just there, I reckon. Let's just park this up. Oops. Let's grab the phone. Righto, we're still recording. Ooh, I reckon it's pretty bloody low though. So, gullies, I don't know. In there maybe? Oh. It's hard to tell, it's just rock. Looks like a prime spot for snakes too. I reckon that might be it. Hill close. This is a hill we've looked at from the top a few times before and didn't go down because we didn't know what the other side was like. It's pretty steep too. I've just come down it, but yeah, I reckon I can get up that okay. Yeah, we've come from the other direction, stopped, looked, and gone. Just you could see it went uphill on the other side. I think the first time we looked at it, it was a bit wet too. We'll try it out, see what it's like. This camera's actually died on me, that's why I'm only recording on that one.